Alrighty, we're going to look at a division problem where 406 is our division and 14 is our divisor. The first step that we're going to take is we're going to find our landmark numbers. Remember, landmark numbers are the multiples 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Once you find your landmark number 10, you can go back and find your landmark number 5. So I take my problem and I write step number 1. Step number 1 is landmark number 10 times 14, 20 times 14. Now I'm ready to solve them. 14 times 1, 14. Add your 0. 14 times 2 is 28. Add your 0. Now that I've found my landmark number 10, I can easily come back and find landmark number 5. What if 5 is half of 10, then half of 140 would be 70. Now I'm ready to start my problem. Step 2, I look at my landmark numbers. Which landmark number is closest to 406 but not over? 70 is too small, 140 is too small, 280. So I'm going to use my 20th multiple of 14, which is 280. Since I'm using it, I need to remember to box it in. Now, my next step is to subtract that from my dividend. 406 minus 280 is, cross me out, make me smaller, add a 1 to my side. Now we have 126. We still need to break down 126. It can't be our remainder because we can still make groups with the 14. So my next step is to go back and look at those landmark numbers. I have 126. Which number can help us break that down? My 5th multiple of 14 is 70. 5 times 14 equals 70. I use my 5th multiple, so I need to give it a box. And now I need to subtract. 126 minus 70. Can't take 2 from 7. Cross me out. Make me smaller. Add a 1 to my side. I have 56 left over. Now I need to divide up my 56. Go back and look at my landmark numbers. 5 times 14 is 70, so it's going to be less than 5. So I come and I make my mini multiple tower. I have 14, 28. 28 plus 14 is 42. 42 plus 14 is 56. That's exactly what I was looking for. That was my 4th multiple. So I come down to my next step. 4 times 14 is 56. I'm finished. I've cleared out everything. If I subtract, there's nothing left over. I come around, I box in my 4, and then I add up all my boxes to figure out what my final answer is. 20, step number 6, 20 plus 5 plus 4 equals 29. This is my final answer. I can go back and look at 406 divided by 14 equals 29.